watch this video and learn how to draw this. Wow! Later on in the show, we're all going to sing a song. And if you watch to the end, there's a special surprise. It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello little artists and welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie and this is my show. Well, greetings from the land of marker pens and crayons. Let's go on a drawing adventure together. We're going to do an amazing piece of art today. I'm going to draw and you can just watch if you want. But if you want to draw along as well, I'd love that.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Okay, little artists, do you have your paper and your marker pens? Well, then it's time to get arty. Let's begin. La 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 la. Do it go do 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 do. Come back kids, let's run that way. Come back do 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 do. La la yeah, what did it go?
Hello, Artie!
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi! Wow! Your drawings are creative as a bunny in a carrot patch. Bye for now, Artie, and don't forget to save me a spot in your next drawing.
Okay.
Okay, bye!
Bye. Keep watching, it's nearly time for a song. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, I know. Let's have a little break and sing a song. That'll be fun, don't you think? Yeah, let's do it.
I wrote this song with crayons in my room. It's got no logic, but it's got a boom. I clap my hands like a crazy raccoon. I hope this song blows up real soon. I hope this song goes viral on social media. Catchy like a dance in a cafeteria. Everyone's singing it like a trivia. I hope this song goes viral on social media. I made a beat with my mom's old pants, a mix of chaos in my two left hands. Upload a vid with my little dance. Now I'm waiting for my big romance. I hope this song goes viral on social media. Catchy like a dance in a cafeteria. Everyone's singing it like a trivia. I hope this song goes viral on social media. I'll do a remix with my dog next week. He'll bark the chorus while I squeak. We'll hit the charts, we'll be unique. This goofy song is my winning streak. I hope this song goes viral on social media. Catchy like a dance in a this song goes viral on social media.
Wasn't that a wonderful song? I loved it. Okay, let's carry on with the drawing. Oh no, that's Painty's music. Oh, Painty. Painty is such a Painty! Oh no! Oh! Oh!
Look out! Uh-oh.
I'm gonna have to clean that up. I'll do it after the drawing. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I love drawing so much. Wow, this one came out really good. Did yours come out good as well, little artists? I bet it did. Well, I think we should colour it now. What do you think? Yeah, let's colour it in.
Color it in, color it in, color it in.
Finished! Oh boy, that was fun! Doesn't it look good now it's got colour? Oh, I love colour!
Thanks for watching, little artists. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses. Mwah!
Thanks for watching Artie's show. We're so happy you came. Please come again. Bye-bye for now. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye.